So Samsung has finally launched their amazing Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the top line flagship of the year 2019. And in this video, we are having this amazing Galaxy Note 10 Plus for the review. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Anoility Tech. It's Milind over here, and in this video, let's have a complete, honest and a depth review of this Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So before jumping on to the review, taking a look at our sponsors. The iMobi AnyTrans is a complete and a perfect solution for transferring, importing and exporting backups and managing all your iPhone data in a very simple way. Now transfer your data very easily either from your old iPhone or directly to or from your PC and Mac devices. AnyTrans provides many additional features over the iTunes, including ultra safe backup which protects you from any kind of data loss. Download the AnyTrans for free and get a chance to win Apple AirPods, HomePod and a complete 1-year Apple Music subscription from the link in the video description. And of course guys, the iPhone XS Max 64GB Gold version international giveaway still continues. You simply need to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification and comment down below in order to be a part of this giveaway. With this, a big shout out to our Anoility team, Henry from Henry Neo and Belarus from Tech City, for helping us out to get the Note 10 hands-on before the official release. Definitely go check out guys their channel and the Instagram as well from the link in the description down below. So starting with first of all the design of this amazing Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This time Samsung has increased their screen size with almost no bezel at the top and the bottom of this device, guys. You get a massive 6.8 inches of display with more than 90% screen to body ratio in this Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is really a very immersive and amazing to see at this display. Not just this, the design of this Galaxy Note 10 Plus is also got upgraded. Now you actually see quad cameras at the back of this Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which includes 3 triple cameras of our day-to-day functionalities, including the wide angle, the telephoto and an ultra wide angle lens. But there is one more lens has got added up in this thing. That one supports a 3D mapping of the environment. It is a TOF camera which actually helps to create or track the environment and to create some amazing clips out of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So first of all, taking a look at the design of this amazing Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Guys, this time Samsung has removed their power on off button from the right side, and as well as there is no Bixby button in this device. In fact, there is one single button which is on the left hand side, which actually acts as supporting both the functionalities, which actually turns on the Bixby and also can turn on or off your device. And there are of course the volume rockers above this button. Whereas taking a look at the top side, of course Samsung hasn't removed the micro SD card, and this device is also available in a dual SIM variant in which you can actually consider using a micro SD card and a single SIM options. As a hybrid mode, you can add up to 1 terabyte of external micro SD card in this device, as this device also supports the dual SIM variant, which you can use as a hybrid mode by inserting a single SIM and a micro SD card up to 1 terabyte. With this device is not just available in 256 gig internal base storage, but is also available in 512 gigs of variant, which makes this device far more storage even as compared to that of our normal laptops. So at the bottom side of this device, we actually have an S Pen which is inserted inside this device. There is a speaker, and of course this device is having a louder stereo speakers. Of course, one is on the top one. On the next to it, there is a charging port that is again USB Type-C, and really sorry, but there is no headphone jack in this thing. So guys, we actually get the AKG USB Type-C headphones inside the box of the device instead of the 3.5mm jack. It seems that this is now the over to the 3.5mm headphone jack, so it's not coming back, guys. So we need to consider a alternate solution by purchasing an external adapter to convert the USB Type-C to the 3.5mm jack one if you need it, because Samsung isn't providing that inside the box. In terms of the colors, this Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Note 10 series has got 4 different colors. Of course, there are 2 additional colors as well. The one is the pink and the red one, but the 4 major that are probably available in the US and other countries as well. The Aura Gold is available, the Aura White is available, of course the Aura Black that's in our hand, and the another one is a blue, Aura Blue kind of a color is there. So you got a completely amazing choice of selecting colors in the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, so which is a kind of a good thing. I personally like this Aura Glow color because it kinds of a rainbow look. It feels like this phone actually reflects the environment and creates some amazing colors when we hold it up in different directions. So it's kind of a look very cool in terms of viewing it from a different angles, and also shines up with several different colors, which makes it a unique choice if you're considering this Aura Glow in terms of purchasing the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Of course, the Aura White is basically the normal white glossy finish, which also looks cool, kind of a bit professional one. So you got a pretty good kind of choices in terms of the colors of this Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, which is a pretty good thing. In terms of software, the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus both are getting the latest Android 9.0 Pie, which also supports that amazing night mode feature, which insanely makes this phone completely different in terms of its looks, and of course saves a lot of battery as well. If you are working around for a long time and not getting that much time to charge, so it is, instead of the super fast charging, night mode can really help us out. One thing we were expecting from the Samsung to put a 90 Hz or a 120 Hz display, but this display is a 60 Hz only, so still you are going to reach up to 60 FPS with the device while playing the games. And of course the game are going to look very smooth, as you can see over here, and you will love to play games on this thing. If you are considering purchasing it for gaming, then it is going to be a perfect option for you guys, because 12 gigs of RAM, internal storage up to 512 gigs. Not just this, it also supports 1 terabyte external micro SD card, which is literally insane. So guys, there will be no concern if you are selecting this device for purchasing for gaming purposes. It is gonna be literally flawless. Now, the most important thing, the S Pen that separates the whole Note series from the S series lineup, that actually has got upgraded and now has many features as compared to that of the previous Galaxy Note 9 S Pen. Of course, you can take the screen of memo, but this time you can also export them into a PDF or a Word file, as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus also supports the conversion of your handwriting into the actual text that we type into the mobile phone. So that's a great thing, because most of the time this might be very helpful in terms of using our device for the business and some productive purposes. So that's a positive con, that we get upgrade in this S Pen in terms of writing. Not just this thing, the S Pen also supports some amazing gestures. Now with the help of the S Pen, you can very easily swipe the camera or can snap the picture, change the modes of the camera that are present. You can jump from photos to videos to slow-mo and all that modes which are available with just the help of this S Pen. It's like a magic wand you can consider from Harry Potter. So that's a positive and a great thing that we are getting as an upgrade in this Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. Samsung has now upgraded their previous generation of under-display fingerprint scanner to the version 2.0, which is far more accurate as compared to that of the previous flagships. It means that the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus has a better and a more precise under-display fingerprint scanner as compared to that of the S10 series, which is a far bigger upgrade, because the thing is that now we just need to touch their phone and directly it unlocks. So that's a cool thing to consider it out. And of course the face unlock is there, you can use it anytime, and there is a kind of a cool animation around the front camera which actually one can seize when using the face unlock. So that's a cool thing guys, to have both the features. The face unlock is also there, and of course the under display fingerprint which works on the ultrasonic technology as per Samsung is also there, which is of course far more precise as compared to the previous generation flagships from the Samsung. Now, some important thing, guys, there is a question that may arise in most of the people, that how to actually turn off the phone if the power button is actually acting as a Bixby as well as the power button itself. That's pretty much simple, guys. You can easily set it up in the settings menu where you have both the option. You can either use the power button as a Bixby button or can use the power button for the normal purpose of turning on or off the device. So that's a great thing that Samsung has provided a fidelity option so that we have our choice to consider that which option to keep it up as per our easy use and convenience. Now, in terms of the display resolution, we actually get a 1080p screen on the Galaxy Note 10, whereas we are getting a 2K, that is a Quad HD 1440p screen on this Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It means that this actually has a better resolution as compared to that of the Note 10. So if you are streaming a 4K content either on YouTube or on Netflix, then it is going to be a really immersive and a very loving experience, guys, because the thing is that, as you can see here, we are playing a 4K video on YouTube and it looks really cool and amazing, guys. Also, this time this display actually supports the real HDR10, which you can see in some OLED and QLED television panels. So that makes everything really very immersive and lovable to watch on this Galaxy Note 10 Plus. In terms of the processor, we are getting the top line of the processors out there in the market. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus is actually having a Snapdragon 855 processor, especially in the US, and in other continents Samsung is providing their own processor, the Exynos 9825, which is the latest and the fastest from the Samsung and Qualcomm till the date. And the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is having 12 gigs of RAM, which is going to be very useful in terms of multitasking, gaming, and some hardcore performance stuffs. In terms of the cameras that we are getting in this Galaxy Note 10 Plus, we are actually getting quad cameras in the rear side and a single front-facing camera in the front side of the device. The front-facing camera is actually of 10 megapixels and can record 4K up to 30 fps, whereas the quad camera which we are seeing in the rear of this device, basically the triple cameras are in the sense like the one wide angle is of 12 megapixel, the telephoto lens is also of 12 megapixel, whereas the ultra wide angle is of 16 megapixel, which also truly explores the camera's beauty. Other than this, 3D camera sensors that we are seeing in the rear of this device, you can do some amazing things, like you can even draw some text in the 3D space in your environment that you can see inside the camera view of the device. And basically, not just this thing, you can also capture some real life objects and can convert them into the 3D models, which can be even further used for the 3D printing purposes as well, with literally a step towards a future to convert the 3D model directly out of your smartphone. Now, the most important in terms of the battery that we are getting, we're actually getting a 3300 milliamp hour in the Galaxy Note 10, whereas we are getting a 4300 milliamp hour in this Note 10 Plus, which literally makes a choice to consider Note 10 Plus to purchase as an option. So guys, not just this thing, even Samsung provides us a fast charger up to 25 watts inside the box, which can charge the device in less than 1.5 hours up to 100%. And not just this, this Galaxy Note 10 Plus also supports a 45 watt supercharger, which Samsung isn't providing in the box but can be purchased from their website or Amazon. And basically guys, with the help of this 45 watt charger which this Galaxy Note 10 Plus supports, we can charge our device in less than 1 hour. And of course, there are a few things that are actually pointing towards purchasing the Galaxy Note 10 Plus over the Note 10, like the 12 gigs of RAM over the 8 gigs, 4300 milliamp hour battery over the 3300 milliamp hour, and even the super fast charging up to 45 watts is supported by the Note 10 Plus. Also, the micro SD card up to 1 terabyte option is available in the Note 10 Plus only. So finally, the most important question of all, should we consider purchasing the Galaxy Note 10 Plus? So guys, in my opinion, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus is of course a really very powerful device, but we are actually getting the same software, the Android 9.0 Pie in the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. But in terms of the hardware, there is really a pretty much big upgrade, 12 gigs of RAM, 4300 milliamp hour battery, and of course the most important, the S Pen, which is also a pretty much advanced now. So I will definitely recommend going ahead with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, as it will definitely be a good option in terms of a good device, especially for productive gaming, business, and all kind of work purposes as well. So guys, this is Milan from Anoility Tech. This was my overall review about this latest Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I hope this may somehow help you in considering your decision to upgrade your previous Galaxy with this latest Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below and share what do you think about this latest Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Once again guys, I will catch you with the next iPhone 11 trailer or a Galaxy Note 10 Plus update. For now, thank you so very much for watching. Thumbs up the like button if you like this. Share if you think that this video may help someone in considering the decision that they may upgrade their previous generation of Galaxy with this new one. Once again guys, thank you so very much. I will talk to you guys in the next one. For now, peace.
I'm so